What's up, guys? We are going to do a little bit of a different video today. We're going to be playing American Truck Simulator. Currently my truck is like flying. I don't really know if that's normal, but I crashed and now my truck's flying. So I'm gonna reset that, I'm gonna pick a job, and then I'm gonna start the video up again. Okay, so basically I hopped in a little bit different style truck. I mean, it's still like the same style, I guess, but it's like a little bit different. So we got in the new truck and we are about to grab my my trailer. So I'll see you whenever I get to my trailer. Okay, so we're making our way there right now. But yeah, so we're making our way there.
Go straight on.
In our fresh truck. And yeah, life is great. Yeah. No, I just gotta wait at this red light. But we got a pretty clean truck. I love it. Dumping coal. Peterbilt sign. Oh yeah, lights right there. That's pretty sick. Let's get to rolling. Oh crap. I don't care. Oh crap. Oh. Well, maybe I do. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm getting out of here, dog. There we go. Yeah. So we're just making our way there.
Go straight on.
Yeah. We're trying to get our load. Timmy's doing great in the back. Right now he is doing pretty good.
Keep right.
Oh yeah. Jakin', baby. Jakin'.
Keep right. Then turn right. Turn right. Turn right.
Anyone that's watching this, if anyone is watching this, if anyone's watching this that has a Peterbilt, please tell me, and I will subscribe. And y'all better subscribe too. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you, Daryl. And
We are finished.
whoever else is watching, you better subscribe. That might have came off harsh. You don't have to if you don't like the video. But if you do, I would love it if you subscribed. That would make my whole... Wow. So... yeah. Yeah. Okay, buddy, where's my trailer? That's my trailer. Let's get turned around here. Get turned around. Turned around town. Yeah. Okay. Get backed up here. Get beeped. Oh, perfection. Perfection, bro.
Let's do this.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's get up out of here. We got our fresh trailer and our nice, beautiful truck. And we're ready to go.
Get ready to turn left.
Oh yeah.
Turn left.
Turning left.
Keep left.
Beautiful.
Then turn left. Turn left.
I ain't no band. No, I ain't no band by them that gun rules. No, Heck no. Me and our Pete, we don't obey. Timmy, you up there. We don't obey. Whenever you're driving in our Peterbilt, we don't care what you got to say, dog. Oh, yeah. Cruising. Oh, crap. Timmy? Timmy, hang on. Hang on, Timmy. Timmy, hang on! Timmy!
Keep left. Then turn left.
Okay.
Turn left.
Timmy, just stay calm. Just rough roads. Oh, crap. Timmy? Timmy, stop turning that light on. I told you, it makes me blind. That guy keeps turning the light on. It's so stupid. Anyway. Timmy, I'm sorry for yelling at you, Timmy. I'm sorry. Sometimes you just gotta learn, Timmy. Okay. Now we're getting going pretty good. 71, speed limit 75. We're gonna go a little bit over and have fun. See, we ain't here for just strictly business. We are here to have some fun in American Truck Simulator. I mean, it is a video game after all. It's supposed to have a little bit of fun. Can't be all work. Where are we? Oh, I think we're in Oklahoma. Timmy, don't look to your left. He tried looking to his left whenever we took that corner by that track. He tried looking left and I told him no. Can you believe it? Okay, alright, come on. Yeah, let's get to going. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're fast shifting now. We hitting it fast. I need water. Oh crap.
Then turn right.
Water down for that.
Turn right.
Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh, I'm supposed to turn right! Timmy, hang on! We saved it. Dadgum. Timmy's really...
Go straight on.
Our truck's so wrapped. But it's okay. Come on. Oh yeah. We don't obey by road laws. Yeah. Okay. We're trying to hurry. Come on. We got road laws to do and we got meemaws yelling at us. We gotta go.
Go straight on.
We got meemaws and grandmas and oh crap. Timmy! 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 Timmy? Where'd you go, bud? Timmy? Oh no. Timmy? I think Timmy died. Timmy? Where? Timmy? Timmy? I think Timmy's gone. call. I don't. How do you call the tow service? I don't know how to do it. I think it that. Tammy, I think we're stuck here. Oh, wait, Tammy's gone. The truck started. And do you see that? 100% damage. That's nuts. Well, I think I almost killed myself. But I mainly killed Timmy. And we don't like killing Timmy. But we'll just have to do this truck without him. We'll just have to do this big old trip without Timmy. Even though I really hate doing it. All my trucks got first high. It don't even have second gear, bro. Yeah.
Go straight on.
Well, guys, I think we're gonna have to end it right there. My truck broke, but don't worry, we'll be back. Anyways, on a real note, God bless y'all, and just thank you for watching. God bless y'all. Peace.